Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for POPCAT price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting here on the daily chart where we are looking at the overview for the bullish and bearish scenario. So we have A, B, and a C towards the upside. Your wave C is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished potentially here wave 8, and you're looking for a very complex structure W, X, and a Y. And this is your wave B in this case scenario, and you're looking for a wave C toward the upside to hit the 1-to-1 fib level and a 1.05 fib level. And this is of course a bullish scenario, of course, where you're gonna see of course a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, don't forget also your scenario of W, X, and a Y. Your W, X, and a Y can be of course in this case scenario a wave Y, where you would like to hit of course a zigzag or a flat or a triangle. So yeah, many scenarios can still unfold. It's not just about a bullish scenario, so always stay safe, guys. And this is the idea, of course, of the overview each time that I do, of course, in the coin to show what are the potentials of the next movement. Inside this wave right now, we are looking at a potential A, B, and a C. And why it is an A, B, and a C? And that because of the shallow correction for a wave 2, which is here anyway, a triangle, and of course a wave 2, unfortunately based on Elliott wave, is not allowed to be a wave 2 as a triangle. Higher potential that you are in a wave B, and you're looking for, of course, potentially A, B, and a C. And this, of course, might unfold several scenarios. What does it mean if you get A, B, and a C? First scenario is after, of course, a bearish trend, you got a 3 waves toward the upside, continuation toward the downside. Is there a potential to take the low? Yes, definitely. Definitely there is a potential to take the low, guys. So be careful. This is scenario 1. The second scenario is 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish again a flat for a W, X, and a Y. Yeah, so this is your wave Y where it might unfold. So we don't want to forget, of course, that you have W, X, and a Y potentially here. So let's keep it in mind. Here we go. The second scenario is that your wave Y might be, of course, 3 waves up as a zigzag for a wave A, B, C, D, and an E, of course. And in this case scenario, you also have to take care and to be careful because your wave Y is gonna be finished here as a triangle. Yeah? And therefore, yeah, after 3 wave structure, you would like to move toward the downside, especially that your wave E is moving for higher, and that means of course a reversal to the market, of course, to finish maybe a bigger even correction here, and then having of course kind of like a move toward the upside later on. So those are the scenarios right now on the overview. On the 1 hour chart, we can see on the current price action we have an A, B, and a C as I mentioned. Let me just turn on this. Here we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, extended wave 5. Very nice wave 5 extended. However, after this you got A, B, C, D, and an E, finished as a triangle here, of course, and therefore starting the impulse toward the upside as a 1, 2, meaning you have 1, A, B, and a C expanding flat for wave 2, and you're looking at a finished 3, 4, and a 5 potentially. Or it can be even 1, 2, 1, 2, but I don't like this wave 2 because of course it barely touched the low, so I cannot really say that it is. And if we take a closer look here, yeah, that doesn't look at all like an impulse, right? So it looks like a part of A, B, and a C, or W, X, and a Y, finishing wave 2, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So basically this wave 3 is finished at the top here. You are looking right now for, after 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, we are looking at the following scenario right now, which is a wave 4 potentially, where you would like to see the 0. Oh, okay, it's a deep wave 4 actually, very deep. We have hit already the 0.38 and even overshoot it, so you have to be careful, of course. When you start to see a deep wave 4, yeah, we have to take care of our trading, because of course now as alternation you have a flat for wave 2 here, potentially you get alternation for wave 4 and then moving for wave 5. However, this scenario is still possible. Possible targets are the following for a wave 5. Here we go. These are the targets between 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level. Be careful from a wave C here, which it has higher potential than a wave 1. Yeah, so A, B, and a C. Well, actually, I'm going to remove the 1, 2 as well. I'm going to keep the wave C because it's already invalidated, of course, as a wave 2 here. You did not took even the 0.38 required for a wave 2 as well. So very important to keep this in mind, guys. And even not the 1-to-1 fib level as an A, B, and a C. Yeah, so this did not happen. It's a signal. It's a signal for the market that it's telling us already what's gonna happen next. Potentially, wave C is gonna be finished there and looking for 3 waves toward the downside. Yep, so these are the updates for POPCAT. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.